Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is creating waves in the tech world, and it's no surprise why. The leaks keep coming, and each one paints a picture of a device that could redefine the flagship smartphone experience in 2025. From groundbreaking design choices to next-level performance features, you're about to discover why this phone is more than just a device. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Let's dive straight into what's setting the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart. First, the stunning new titanium white and silver color option. This isn't just a color, it's a masterpiece. The clean white finish combined with the sleek silver frame screams luxury and refinement. Imagine pulling this out of your pocket. It's bound to turn heads. But here's the catch. Will this color be widely available, or is it destined to be an exclusive? Samsung fans are already speculating. The design upgrades may seem subtle, but they're far from ordinary. Flat edges with a curved back provide not only a more comfortable grip, but also a modern aesthetic that's fresh yet timeless. And let's talk about those larger camera rings. They're not just for show. They house a seriously upgraded camera system with a 200MP primary sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, and an enhanced ultra-wide lens. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or zooming in for detailed close-ups, this phone ensures your photos look nothing short of professional. Night photography? Check. Macro shots? Absolutely. And for selfie lovers, the 12MP front camera guarantees stunning results in any lighting. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is an absolute beast. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, this phone promises unmatched speed and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing high-resolution videos, this device handles it all without breaking a sweat. And with up to 16GB of RAM and a hopping 1TB of internal storage, this is a smartphone that's as future-proof as they come. Now let's not forget about the display. A massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The colors pop, the brightness is unmatched, and every swipe feels like a dream. Pair this with a 5,000 mAh battery supporting 45 kW fast charging, and you've got a device that keeps up with even the busiest days. Wireless charging? Absolutely. And with IP68 water and dust resistance, this phone is built to endure. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Samsung's new One UI 7, built on Android 15, brings software refinements that enhance customization and functionality. From intuitive gestures to improved animations, using this phone will feel like second nature. And Samsung didn't just focus on the Ultra model. The standard Galaxy S25 is also making headlines with features like UFS 4.0 storage, 12GB of RAM, and MagSafe-style wireless charging, a feature compact phone enthusiasts are sure to love. And if foldables are more your style, Samsung's thinnest and lightest Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is set to steal the spotlight. With its 8-inch display, sleek design, and a 200MP main camera, this device is proof that portability doesn't mean compromising on performance. As we edge closer to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's official launch, the anticipation is only growing. Will Samsung surprise us with even more exclusive features? How will it fare against competitors like Apple and Xiaomi? One thing is certain, 2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling year for smartphone innovation. What do you think of the Galaxy S25 Ultra so far? Are you as hyped as we are? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.